Guys, so I am going to make sangria. This is my first time making a sangria. This is the red wine that we're gonna use. This is from Suda Vineyards. We have like some fruits which we're gonna cut and we're gonna make a sangria. So I've cut the fruits. These are the red apples. I don't have the green apple, so I'm not gonna use that. And then these are the oranges. I have cut it like this. I've also like let it be like this so that it looks good also. That is also very important for me as a Virgo. And then I have this jar. In this we're gonna make our sangria. So let's just fill this. And then fresh orange juice also. This is what it looks like, and this is the lemon that I'm gonna put. So this is the slice that I'm gonna put inside. I think just 2 slices are fine. Now it's a challenge to open this. I don't know how to open this, but let's try. Let's not hurt ourselves and try. Okay, I can't seem to open it. Okay, I'm back and now it's opened. Okay, and now we're gonna pour it. And we need ice also.